Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Hey, we're in the day that's called the editing day, and this is when we use a checklist. And remember, you don't just go check, 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 I'm done. You have to do each thing one at a time. So these are things that we're going to check our letters for and make sure they're really clear so that when people read our letter, they're not trying to figure it out. They can listen to what we have to say. So the first thing is when you talk about I, you always use a capital I when you're talking about yourself. So you have to use a capital I. The next thing is any of our word wall words that you know that are snap words, make sure they're spelled correctly. The short, easy words, make sure that they're correct. The next thing is make sure and leave spaces between your words because when you run it all together, then it's really hard to read. And if someone's trying to figure out your words, they're not really thinking about what you have to say. We want to make sure all the sounds are in your words. Do the best for you can for spelling on those tough words, sound them out, and try and get all the chunks in. At the end of our sentences, we need a period, an exclamation, or a question mark. And all of our sentences start with a capital letter with the first letter. So I'm sure your teacher has shared this checklist with you before. So capital I, word wall words are correct, spaces between your words, get all the sounds in there that you can, have a mark at the end of your sentence, and capitals in the front of your sentence for the first word. Okay, boys and girls, and if you mention a book title, you have to put capitals in the book title and underline it. All right. That's a lot to remember. Okay, use that checklist and make sure you have everything right. Look it over because then your readers will be thinking about what you have to say, not about the mistakes you made. Right, boys and girls? Make it clear and easy to read. That helps out your readers.